Hello, this is Mike Leahy. Thanks for joining me today to take a quick look at our newest Pulse utility program. Have you ever dreamed about the day when you'll no longer need to key in accounts payable vouchers into Macola? Well, our utility will make your dreams come true. This utility will streamline your accounts payable entry, and it works with all versions of Macola, including Progression, Macola ES, and Macola 10. It can be used to import vendor invoices that are being expensed, like utility bills, as well as invoices to be matched to a purchase order. We originally developed this utility for companies that require the keying in of a large number of freight invoices and are tired of manually keying them in one by one. It later dawned on us that what we had discovered was a way to eliminate the tediousness of keying in all vendor invoices. And part of the success of this utility is the use of an Excel template. And let me show you that template right now. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's very, very simple, and it requires only a few data fields to be populated. So let's take a look at how that template is imported into Macola. So I'm in the software right now, and in the upper right corner, I'm going to click on the button called Read Import File. And instantly, all of the entries in the template are now showing on the screen. If anything needs to be corrected, for example, the vendor number or a general ledger account number, you just click on those fields and then make the change. So after reviewing all the entries, you click on the button in the upper right corner called Create Macola Vouchers. You can see it's confirming what I'm about to push into Macola. So using Pulse Dashboard, let's take a quick look at what those entries look like in Macola. This is a copy of the accounts payable distribution file. So thanks for taking a minute to view this video and our newest Pulse utility. This software, like all of our Pulse utilities, includes unlimited phone support from our dedicated support desk and unlimited training. To learn more about this exciting software, to request a quote, or to place an order, just give us a call at area code 513-723-8091. And if you're one of our managed services customers, this software is offered to you at no cost. Thanks for joining us today.